This is the one point that I'll kind of make that I've seen on my desk, and I feel very fortunate to be a member of this firm, and I feel very fortunate to be able to help with the recruiting process. A part of that recruiting is I get the opportunity to speak with a lot of different people about their trading. People that have been working on their trading for a little bit of time or a lot of time, people that are really kind of doing a lot of work and sometimes very good work. Probably the number one thing I hear is, oh, if I'm just a little more disciplined, I can do this, or I just need to be a little more disciplined and then my P&L will turn around. I just need to be a little more disciplined and then I'll be able to manage my risk better. If I'm being honest, I think all that's bullshit. I just think you don't have a trade strategy. Like, if you don't have a trade strategy, there is no way you can expect yourself to be disciplined. Same thing going to the gym. If you are like, I need to get in shape, and you don't have a strategy to do that, but you just show up to the gym every day and you're like, I hope something happens. Oh, let me drive to McDonald's on the way home. You're not going to get in shape. Like, it's just, if you don't have a strategy, you cannot judge how well you are working this process. You can say that I just need more discipline because I need to really do this and I need this discipline and all that stuff. This isn't really about you, Rick. This is about this entire process. If you don't have a good trade strategy, you can do all the work of a professional trader, but without a trade strategy, you're not going to continue to grow.
Hey, go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos they're producing for you in the trading community. And please take the time to add your feedback in the comments section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.